Jackson Pool. Situation. I found a flat piece of area for this pool. It's my first review, and we're gonna see how it work out. Got it out of Walmart. This one, and they say the intake is the two top of the line above ground pools. And I'm just gonna give you a review, installation all in one. Let you know how everything goes. It's my current review. Country living, Alabama. But this is how it look right now, but I'll get back to you and put it all together. Take you step by step. It's my current situation. I found a flat piece of area for this pool. It's my first review, and we're gonna see how it work out. Got it out of Walmart. This one, and they say the intake is the two top of the line above ground pools. And I'm just gonna give you a review, installation all in one. Let you know how everything goes. It's my current review. Country living, Alabama. But this is how it look right now, but I'll get back to you and put it all together. Take you step by step. Here we go with the vertical pole legs. Those go in after you put in the top rail. The top rail looks something like this, and you got these different slots that you have to put it in the pool first, and then you go to the tees after that. But I'm gonna put it all together so you can get a better understanding, because the directions don't really say too much. So what I did was I just put them around, because it's a one-man show for me. I'm by myself, and I do this. Did it in the Air Force for 10 years, building tent cities. So being a disabled veteran and everything, I still manage my Air Force motto: work smarter, not harder. Coming right back to you. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the next step. Once you put the frames inside the slots, as you can see, then you start putting the T's in. Once you start putting the T's in, it requires you to put the pin and the bracket together, and then the pin and the bracket goes down in this hole on both ends, and you do that all the way around. Then the next step is putting the legs in. Stay tuned. I'm back. Finished putting all the T's in, as you can see. Next step is putting the pin and the gasket on there. Make sure you have the holes lined up. Put it through. And that's it. It locks in. You just do it for both, all the holes that's in the T's. Next step is to start working on the legs. As you can see, I already got it prepped. Then I have to put the foots on. And that, here we go. Here we go, I'm back. And I'm just showing you the legs. What you do. And I'm supposed to go on the back side. Not bad. You put the curve on it, facing towards the pool. I mean the curve to the back. Pick it up. Make sure it goes in the ribbon. And it locks in. Just like that. Yes, I put my ladder up. I got everything up and running. I got my water running. Everything seems to be level pretty good. Now I'm working on the pump. Got the 2B. And you have the A. Stay tuned. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.